How to schedule airplane mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. From here, you can create automations to make shortcuts run automatically. Tap on New Automation as shown. From here, select Time of Day. Set the timing for the automation over here. You can also choose the frequency of this text. For example, daily. Then, tap on Next. On this page, go to the search bar and type in Airplane Mode. Select Set Airplane Mode from here. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. You have now successfully created this automation. Following these steps, you can easily schedule airplane mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.